Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to create a poll on YouTube. Why would you want to know how to create a poll on YouTube? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to create a poll on YouTube. So today I am going to show you how to create a poll on YouTube. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Creating a pool on YouTube is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for iOS and Android devices. Let me show how you will create a pool on YouTube. First of all, open YouTube app in your mobile phone. Now here is my YouTube app home screen. And then first click on plus icon in the bottom of this page and now click on create a post and then click on text poll. And now first enter your question and then add options. You can add up to 4 options in your poll. So there you go. If you were wondering how to create a poll on YouTube, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.